This is a very strong colony from Austin bee farm. A very strong colony from Austin bee farm. Okay. Very strong colony. Population is too high. If I will say, it's under assumption if the bee want to swarm, but the swarming season is off. So, but the population of this hive particularly is understand. We are off swarming season, but I don't know if this hive is experiencing swarming currently. I don't know. From Austin B, aka honey is health. You understand? This is me. All we do is bee. We rear bees. We train people. We establish farms for people. We sell all bee products, honey, beeswax, propolis, royal jelly, etc. We also sell bee equipment. So smoker, bee suits, hives, etc. Just order for yours now. I still remember myself, Austin Odili, aka Honey is Health. So order your services, order your services, order for your services. Thank you.